Welcome everyone. Welcome to our presentation. We are from fifth
Group 5.
group. We are about to talk about web development in 21st century and the future of web. In this group, it contains five members. First one is Rehan Muhammad Aditya, second Muhammad Fadlan, third Muhammad Diva, four Azhar, and fifth myself Leonardo Septian. Uh, There's six of content in this presentation. First, we are going to introduce. Second, literature review. Third, research methodology. Four, result discussion. Five, conclusion, and the last six is closing. So we are gonna talk first about abstract and keyword. So what is a website? Website is a page that contains information in form of text, audio, image, or video that is static or dynamic, which can be accessed from web browser and the internet. Uh, the development of the website has undergone several development, and for that reason, we choose this topic. From the web, there is start from the web 1.0 through web 3.0, which contain a paradigm of the future web, which also related to AI, which currently developing. We use a keyword like website development future 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0. Part 1, Introduction. In general, in building website, we must pay attention to programming language. In a common one, we usually using HTML or CSS. In each use, we don't need high understanding of this language. Usually, there's already framework which can we use to make our job easier. In addition, we also need to test server to test the layout we usually using CMPP or using PHP language. There are 7 development process. I'm going to just tell you quick. The first one is goal, name, web hosting, design, context, digital marketing plan, and the last is Google Analytics. We're going to part 2 about literature review.
Okay, in this part, we would like to discuss about website and HTML. According to Merriam-Webster dictionary, a website is a group of World Wide Web or WW that contains hyperlink to online pages for individuals, communities, businesses, or organizations to use. While according to Hemingtius, a website is a term used for domain and subdomain that was written in hypertext markup language or HTML for short, as the basic markup language for the website building. An HTML, according to the definition from Sharma, is a standard markup language where developers use as the basic framework for a website. Next page. There are two types of website. The first one is static website. The website appearance rarely changes and constantly stay the same. The second one is dynamic website. The website appearance always varies where every time new content was added to the website. And here's some example of text in HTML. The first one is heading, paragraph, link or image, style, and table. A website can also be opened using a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, etc. Next. The second part of this review is website criteria and tools. Right now on the internet, the amount of information and content has been increasing every single day. Therefore, we need to do a quality control and validation to maintain a reliable source of information. According to Dragulenes, not only that web pages can provide us with services, but also provide us with data such as text, image, even a video. Website structure consists of a header, a body, and a footer. Next one. The third part is web development. Web 1.0 is the first phase of the web that we know today. It's being characterized by its static content publishing and low interactivity, which is why a lot of companies can place their content that allows users to consume it without worrying about the user opinion. The second one is Web 2.0. It's the next phase of the web that have main characteristic of high interactivity. It includes a large and panoply of services such as social networks, blogs, and wikis. The main advantage associated with this phase compared to the previous one is potential in establishing collaboration, but the downside is we lose control of the shared information. Next one. The third phase is Web 3.0, the next phase of the web that emerged as the paradigm that allow companies to explore the information about the users in order to identify trends and optimize their experience on the web. This phase also allows the user to find relevant information much easier on a given subject. The fourth phase is the current phase of the web, Web 4.0. It emerged as the new paradigm arising from the technological advance of mobile devices, the Internet of Things, and ad hoc networks. This phase proposed a new model of interaction that is more complete, dynamic, and personalized, in which there is a symbolic interaction between humans and machine. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you about 21st century. The 21st century is a century that puts forward in highly advanced technology. In addition, digitization is in this century is very thick and even necessity for everyone to master this digital skill. According to Lar et al., there are several core skills that everyone must have in order to develop in the present. There are information skill, communication skill, collaboration skill, critical thinking, and creativity. Those skills must be combined with the digital skill that are rapidly developing today. Next. Okay, this is about future web. There are three points that I'm gonna explain to you. First is increase in diversification of consumer device. The rise in IoT has given a chance to web developer to change the front and back of the web development. Second is machine learning and artificial intelligence for web development. Here are some advantages of implementing artificial intelligence in web development. One, faster, accurate, and personalized search result. Two, increased customer interaction. Three, effective digital marketing to targeted customer. Four, increased and easy customer experience. And five, personalized experience of the service. And then the final point is leveling the web speed with WebAssembly. One of the objectives of WebAssembly is to be at performance par with the native code. Next. Okay, this is part 3, research methodology. Next, research method. In conducting this research, we put more emphasis on the collecting and taking opinions from experts and also existing journal, so that we can make result from there by finding matches and also combination of these opinions. Next.
Okay, thank you for Rajar. In this part, we will discuss and present the research that has been done. Next. According to Bolas 2019, there are 7% do you want to make a good domain name. 3. Purchase a web hosting with a good support, secure, and scalable. 4. Implement the best content management system. 5. Create an interesting, memorable, and engaging UI. 6. Install webmaster tools. And last, implement a website maintenance plan. Next. Okay, for the part 2 is web development in 21st century. In the 21st century, web development refers to Web 2.0. According to Murugesan, 2007, Web 2.0 make the web more dynamic and inclusive, stressing peer networking engagement and mutual wisdom. And it opens up new possibilities for using the web and better understanding the user. Web 2.0 is more dynamic and collaborative than Web 1.0, allowing people to both browse and add to a website content. Web 2.0 allows visitors to stay up to date with a site, new material, while having to access the actual web page. 2011 explained that Web 2.0 is an evolution from the previous web and has a sustainable paradigm. And it has the nature of interoperable, user-centered web application as well as social service. Nowadays too, this web development is more developed in the development of the e-commerce web. Also, social media websites are developing as well. So it can be considered today is more inclined to two things, namely e-commerce and also social media. First one is about future web, Web 3.0 and Web 4.0. According to the explanation from Wakil and Jawawi, the web of the future is a web that has its own intelligence. This web intelligence has several characteristics, namely, one, artificial AI has an important role in the development of this web intelligence. Two, it uses the AI techniques. Three, it is said that this web intelligence is the future of the web itself. Four, the main feature in this web intelligence are web mining, semantic web, intelligent agents, and web personalization. And the last one is web intelligence is in control of future website development. Microsoft et al. 2021 also support this statement because it also relates to the future internet, which is very much related to AI and machine learning. Tiagi et al. Explain it as in the pain that future of development will depend on AI technology. And next, it is about Web 3.0. In addition, in this future web concept, the terms Web 3.0 and Web 4.0 are related. This term developed after the evolution of the web, which result from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0, and this issue has started very fast and many are discussing too. One of them, according to Himawan et al., said that Web 3.0 is another destination from the semantic web. According to him, the use of semantic web will be more complex than Web 2.0, where in the semantic web there is a technique called ontology. Next to Parlan.
Okay, continuing from my friend. Furthermore, regarding Web 4.0, there is an opinion from Almeida 2017, which say that Web 4.0 is a website concept that is considered uncertain or its meaning can change. In the concept of Web 4.0, according to him, it will be in many dimensions, and these dimensions are comprehensive. Then things like IoT, big data, AI, and M2M also play an important role in this Web 4.0 concept. Next. It can be concluded that in the future web development will emphasize more on the intelligent factor of the website itself. The web in the future may no longer be completely controlled by humans, but there will be intelligent agent factor that will help and even replace test, especially in managing the web itself. Next. Okay, the last part, part 5, conclusion. Next. Website is common today because of rapid development and also usually a foundation for a business or organization. The website is very important. Nowadays, the web emphasizes more on the interest of its user so that it can be called a user-centered website, and is also in PES 2.0 where this also relates to the user. Next. There are also many people who predict or think that the future website is closely related to AI, which includes intelligent agent technology. This will cause the website management to not be purely controlled by humans, but there will be interference from the agent so that decision can be faster too.